All right, Mehndi, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast, as the BJP is also likely to hold the General Secretary's meeting today at 6 p.m. The meeting is going to take place at the BJP headquarters under the chairmanship of the party president JP Nadda. All right, Mehndi, my colleague is joining me live on the broadcast once again. Mehndi, what we are learning is that the General Secretary meeting is going to be held today at 6 p.m. at the BJP headquarters. What is in fact going to be at the agenda, and what all can be discussed and understood, as in fact the top pick for the CM post is also going to be one of the issues?
Well, indeed, Simran, it can be said that the series of meetings have initiated in the Bharatiya Janata Party, and it was said as soon as the Prime Minister will reach back to India, then the meetings will escalate a lot. And today will be the first big meeting after PM's arrival to back to India. And in this meeting, this meeting will be chaired by the National BJP President JP Nadda, and the General Secretaries will also be there in the meeting, and a lot of discussions will be happening. And if we talk about the agenda of this meeting, Simran, then yes, Delhi will be on priority, and the discussions will also be happening regarding the roadmap and the first 100 days of the governance in the national capital, and also some discussions can be happen regarding the discussions over the CM phase as well, because right now BJP is trying to cast all the cast equations in the national capital as well, because as of now, as per the sources that we are getting, Simran, is that the 15 names have been shortlisted by the party leaders, and now the party leaders and the senior leadership of the BJP has to choose the 9 candidates, from which the CM, the deputy CM, and also the cabinet ministers will be decided by the BJP for the national capital. So yes, today's meeting that will be happening around 6 p.m. at BJP headquarters is a crucial meeting ahead of the decision that BJP has to take regarding the CM of the national capital. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mehndi. Thank you very much for sharing these details and giving us more information as far as, in fact, this meeting, a very crucial meeting by the BJP is concerned, that is slated to be held at 6 p.m. today. More announcement and big decisions are likely to be taken. Now, in the latest, in a recent development in the